Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm just on my way to work. After work though, I'm going to be, with the help of a couple friends, going to be trying to get my winch, which is currently frozen, pulled out using another truck. And then I'm going to take a few measures to potentially or hopefully stop it from freezing back up again. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. The channel right now is all about upgrading my F-150, putting special mods on it. I intend on doing lots of camping and overlanding in it. So anybody who watches my channel knows that I have a rough country hidden winch mount on my 2019 Ford F-150 with the 12,500 pound winch with synthetic line. And the synthetic line is the problem right now because where I am it's cold. The line got wet and the line froze. So it froze onto itself. So that's why we're going to have to pull it out with another truck.
Lots more. No, it's frozen.
Oh, it's frozen all the way
Yeah. I can tell there's a lot more rope.
So it's just frozen.
Yeah.
So I finally got my winch out, and you can see the synthetic cord is full of frost and ice, and we had to use another truck to pull it out. Unraveled the entire cord. As you can see, it's spooled up around there. I think it's about 85 feet. And now we got silicone spray. I'm going to spray the entirety of the cord to help displace the moisture. Oh yeah, it's at the end. You wouldn't want to go any more than that. Sure, all the parts got some soap. Okay, put some tension. Let me pull you. So I was told that with the synthetic cable you can go back and forth a lot faster and not spool it like you would a steel cable, and that will help it from sticking together when it freezes, when it gets cold. There we go. It's in and it's lubed. Hopefully, no more freeze. So that's it. It's all done. Hopefully it won't freeze again. As you all saw, I soaked it with that silicone spray. So hopefully that does the trick. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And like and comment for more of my videos.